A lot of the people right now that are really succeeding in this industry are the people who have practiced the fundamentals of doing sales for 5, 6, 7, 8 years. So in key clutch moments like this, when everybody is being affected mentally and circumstances really are limiting people and they're not allowing them to succeed, these people are still able to succeed. And it's not only people that are in this office, it's just us as a company as well. One of the main reasons why we're able to still grow and still move forward like nothing really fucking happened to us is because we have practiced the fundamentals of running a business, and because we have practiced it so much, we have mastered all these fundamentals. And once you master these fundamentals, during circumstances like this, when everything is being affected and there's like chaos and commotions going on, we're still able to practice and still able to continue on these fundamentals without really being affected. Because during key clutch moments, when shit like this happens, we can still fall back on the habits, the positive habits we've developed in the past, and just that will carry us through. Now, that could be anything with our recruiting and hiring department, that could be anything with our funding department, that could be anything with business principles of doing the business in the sales industry. It could be anything. Because we have done all the right things in the past, now we don't have to really focus on trying to do the right things. It comes automatically. We already know what to do. So there are 3 habits you can develop right now that will allow you to do the same thing. And once you master these habits, same thing. No matter what happens outside, what circumstances you're in, what happens mentally that's going to affect you or limit you, you're still going to be able to pull through during times like this when everybody else is being affected.